In this video, I want to explain the health benefits of taking onion and ginger mixture for men. The health benefits of taking onion and ginger mixture for men. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. Okay, so after making a mixture, after making this juice, so this juice, it contains ginger, also it contains onion. So this mixture, it is very important to men. How? We do not just mix different foods or different fruits. We don't just mix them randomly. Every ingredient that we keep here has its own health benefits to men. It is like this. Ginger, it helps to increase blood supply in men. And also onion, which it is here, also help in the irritations of the vessels. So help the vessels to dilate. But also there's some people, you can add honey in this drink. When you add honey in this drink, honey helps to increase the potency of ginger. So honey also only helps to increase the potency of ginger, and ginger helps to increase the blood supply in men. So for those men who have problem of erectile dysfunction, as you know that erectile dysfunction is a common problem which affects so many men. So when you drink this drink and you have erectile dysfunction, also help. But there's no many scientific evidence which prove that the drink which contains honey, which contains onion, and also contains ginger has worked. But some researchers which they have done, they have said that it is also important. But also you can also take medicinal. You can also take the medications from the hospital. For example, Viagra. Viagra is very important, very helpful for men who have the problem of erectile dysfunction. But also, if you see this drink is not helpful for you and you have that problem, make sure that you go to the hospital to seek more medical help. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.